Hello, Olivia. Speak out loud. Hello, teacher.
Hello teacher.
How are you?
Mình có chiếu hình lên không cô, chứ con đọc không là con không có đọc được đó.
No, this is your test. Đây là bài kiểm tra của con mà đúng không? So, how are you today? First.
I'm fine.
Okay, so you fine. And did you have your dinner yet?
Yes.
Yeah, so do you know that today we're gonna have a test, right? You know that? You know today we're gonna have a test. So in the test, we're gonna have 5 parts for the test. And the part 1, I will ask you some questions about yourself. So, okay, Lilia, what is your Vietnamese name?
Hoàng Kim.
Hoàng Kim, the full name.
Nguyễn Trường Hoàng Kim.
Very good. How old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
Very good. Where do you live now? Where?
Cần Thơ City.
Cần City. Who do you live with?
My sister, my dad, my mom. Cô là con không. Ông bà của con thì cũng ở Cần Thơ, nhưng mà cứ tính không cô?
Không, ở trong nhà thôi. In your house only.
My dad, my mom, my sister, and me.
Okay. So tell me, what is the name of your school?
Trường năm nay con học thì là Tây Úc.
Okay, so which grade are you in? Grade
3G.
Very good. So, okay, do you love animal?
Yes.
So what is your favorite one?
Một con thôi đúng không cô?
Yes, one, only one.
Hai con thì con yêu thích
Okay, 2 is okay. Hurry up.
Rabbit and dog.
Rabbit and dog, very good. So what is your favorite food?
Mình kể nhiều món được không cô?
No, only one. Tell me, only one. Favorite one.
I like
Egg. Okay, so that is the end of the first round. We're gonna move to the part 2. Part 2. In part 2, you will read 5 random sentences in Sick in India lesson. Con sẽ đọc 5 câu bất kỳ, nhưng mà nó phải liền mạch nhé. 5 câu bất kỳ ở trong bài Sick India. So Lilia, let's go.
Hi, this is Tony. I'm in India. Traveling by myself is a great place, and I love it. I arrived to Chapur, to a country. I have a big problem. I ate some bad food, and now my stomach is bad.
Wonderful, very good job. So that is the end of the part 2. So we're gonna move to the part 3. In part 3, I will question and you will answer that. That means so we're gonna move to the mini story. Okay, Lilia, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Hi, this is Tony. I'm in India traveling by myself. Ooh, good job. So is this Lilia?
No.
It is Anthony.
No.
Is this Gracie?
No.
Is this Tony?
Yes.
Okay, so where is Tony?
In India.
Who does Tony travel with?
No one.
No one. So which city does Tony want to go in India?
Oh, Chapur.
Chapur, very good. So does Tony love Chapur?
Yes.
Why does Tony love Chapur?
Because it's a great place.
Very good job. So what is his problem? What is Tony's problem?
He ate some bad food and now his stomach is bad.
Okay, so in the beginning, what does Tony have?
He's already had nausea.
Nausea, very good. So what does Tony lose?
His appetite.
Appetite, very good. So what is on the top of the hill?
is a big fort.
How is the fort?
Big.
Very good. So, where is the huge hill? Where?
In the middle of the city.
You did a great job for this round. Very good job. So we're gonna move to the part 4. So in part 4, I will do body language and you will guess what sentence is. Cô sẽ làm body language và Lilia sẽ đoán câu nhá. Okay, Lilia, you ready?
Yeah.
Very good.
Can I like a country? I have a big problem.
No.
It's a crab place and I love it.
Wonderful. So
I ate some bad food and now my stomach is bad.
Easily, right? Okay, so one more.
I lost my appetite.
I lost my appetite.
And now I have diarrhea and vomited too.
Vomiting too, very good. I feel
weak.
Terrible, very good. So that is the end of the part 4. So we're gonna move to the last part. In the last part, I will share with you this one. So wait for me. So do you see my slide?
Oh, yes.
Yes, okay. So in this part, you will read 5 assigned sentences. 5 câu mà được chỉ định sẵn nhá. Okay, so you will read 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So Lilia, let's go.
Every day, my stomach gets worse. In the beginning, I only had nausea. I lost my appetite, but now I have got diarrhea and vomited too. I feel terrible.
Wonderful. You did a great job. You make me so proud of you. Very good job, Lilia. Okay, so that is the end of our test today. And you did a great job, I would say. Okay.